Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, before I'm going to sleep, I just want to ask how are you all today, and I hope everyone is okay. No sickness, always strong and healthy, out of danger. Anyway guys, our day is good. We did not encounter problem. All the problem is part of our life journey. And also, and the problem, the trials, and the hardship that we experience, we learn something from there. And for me, all the struggles in life that I've experienced, they make me stronger, and I learn something from that. Every time I experience hardship in life, I'll become more stronger than before. Anyway guys, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I'm sleepy already. I need to rest because I have to. I still have work tomorrow. Bye. Only one day more and then it's weekend. My day off every Saturday. But I think I have party to attend, birthday on Saturday. Okay, bye guys. Good night and sweet dreams. Bye.